Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn about pronoun. Now let's see, there's a chart before you people where pronouns have been given in a chart. These pronouns I, ye, your, he, she, it, and they. First person, second person, third person singular, and third person plural. These are three kinds of pronouns: first person, second person, and third person. These pronouns are used as subject in a sentence. These pronouns mean us, first person, you, second, him, her, it, third person singular, and them, third person plural. These are used object in a sentence. These are used possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. I will let it clear in another lecture what is the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Simply, here I will tell you that these pronouns are used to show relationship or ownership or possession. So these are three pronouns: first person, second person, and third person, and their states are subjective case, possessive case, and objective case. Now let's see how we use them in sentences. Pro mean in favor of or in place of. Noun. The words which are used in place of noun are called pronouns. What are nouns? Naming words. All the naming words, whether the name of a person, place, thing, the words which we use in place of these naming words are called pronoun. He helps his brother. Now, he and his are pronouns. He has been used here in place of some name. She receives an award. She here is a pronoun and it has been used in place of some name like Angela, like Aisha, like Anna, or any name you may say. He receives an award. He has finished. She now again has been used here, and this her, both of these are pronoun, and this she has been used in place of some noun. They played a cricket match. They, a plural, has been used in place of two or more persons whose name have not been given here, but a simple one word pronoun has been used here. So they here has replaced name. The word that replaces the names or nouns in a sentence is called pronoun. I had been looking after my mother. So I has been used instead of a name. We are serving the guests at the restaurant. We, a plural first person pronoun, has been used here for two or more persons whose names have not been given here, but in place of these names, this single word has been used here. So one thing becomes clear to us that the words which replaces the names in a sentence are called pronoun. As I defined earlier, the word pronoun, pro mean in place of, noun mean noun. The words used in place of noun are called pronoun. You, second person, is singular as well as plural. You rang the bell. We didn't use name of that person. In place of that person, we have used here you. You is a pronoun. She kicked a naughty boy. She replaces the name, so she is a pronoun. He bought a pizza. He replaces a name, so this word as a pronoun because this has been used in place of a noun. They got a new story book. Instead of using two or three names, we use this, they to replace these names, and the word replacing the nouns are called pronouns. Similarly, I watched a children movie. I is a pronoun. You are asking a question to your students. Your and you are pronouns here. So word which replaces the noun are called pronoun, which are used in place of noun are pronoun. Why do we use pronouns? Because if we use the naming word again and again in sentences, it will not be convenient, and for the beauty of the language, we have to use some word replacing the noun. So the words which replaces the noun are called pronoun, or which are used in place of noun are called pronoun. Thank you very much for watching. With another lecture of English grammar, I will be here. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Thank you very much.